Hello! So for this video, I wanted to kind of explain the basics to color schemes, go through a few of those color schemes, and describe kind of how you use those. So to begin with, here is a color wheel. It's really exciting because it has all of our basic colors on here. It has our primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue. Our secondary colors, which are purple, green, and orange. And then it also has our tertiary colors, which are the colors that are kind of in between those colors. So you have your yellow, green, blue, violet, red, orange, all of those colors. So, and then these will be the colors that you use to kind of make your main color scheme. So to start with, the first color scheme I wanted to go through was monochromatic. So monochromatic, mono is one, and so you're going to use one main color for it. So we're going to use blue as an example. And so for your room, blue would be the main colors in there. And so you could use like shades and tints and tones of blue, but blue will be your main focus. And I actually have an example of that where they have used blue in their room. It's a lot of blue, but it looks really classy a lot of times, depending on how you use it. So the next color scheme is complementary color scheme, where you choose a color that you really like, and then you use its complement, which means that you use the color straight across from it on the color scheme. And it's its complement because those colors will always look good together. Red and green, for example, are complements. So Christmas, why Christmas colors look so good together. So, and then also like yellow and violet, those are complementary colors. So you'd use those as your main focal colors in your color scheme. The next one is a triadic color scheme, where you choose three colors that are equidistant on your color wheel. So you could use like yellow, red, and blue. Each of those have the three colors in between them on the color wheel, so like that. And then so you could use all three of those colors. A lot of times in children's bedrooms, they'll use the triadic color scheme and use like red, yellow, and blue to decorate with. And so that always looks really nice. And then for another color scheme, it's called split complementary. And so the complementary color scheme is straight across from each other. Excuse me. The split complementary is very similar. So you'll go from like violet, and then the complement is yellow, but you'll actually use the two colors on either side of that. So you'll have your yellow orange and then your yellow green. And so that's your split complementary color scheme. And then another color scheme is double complementary. And so you'll choose two complementary color schemes and use those together. And so you'd use like your yellow violet and then your red green. You'd use all of those in the color scheme. And then the last color scheme that I wanted to talk about is a neutral color scheme. And with those, you'll use the neutral colors, which are the browns, whites, black, gray, the colors that aren't really on the color wheel. So those will be your main focus. And then if you want to add some color, you can use accent colors. A lot of people will choose like red as an accent color, for example. This room is an example of a neutral color scheme. So they use like the rock and the chair, and then the carpet is white, and then those are brown. So it's very neutral colors in there. So there's your basics to color schemes. There's a lot that you can do with them with just these simple colors, so it's really exciting. Wish you well in all of your doings. Okay, bye.